There's a service called Flight Radar 24, from which you can track almost any aircraft flying out there. And this includes private planes and even some military aircraft. But why can anyone track any airplane? Doesn't it violate privacy? Well, first, let's understand how you can do this. Every plane uses a system called automatic dependent surveillance broadcast. This broadcasts the precise flight data of the aircraft, including location, airspeed, flight ID, and more. This data is unencrypted, and anyone can receive and read this data. In fact, you would mostly need a $30 software-defined radio dongle to receive this data, and you can track all the nearby airplanes on your own. Now, planes use this system mainly because of safety. Actually, ADS-B was strictly enforced in early 2020. Before, planes had to rely on ATC to know about nearby planes. There was no plane-to-plane tracking system, except for a very simple last-moment collision resistance mechanism. Now, ADS-B became standard. With ADS-B, planes can track nearby planes hundreds of miles away without relying on ATC, which means even if you're flying in the middle of an ocean, you can still know your surroundings and avoid mid-air collisions, which is so obviously important. I don't know why they took so long to implement this. And since your aircraft is sending its data to another aircraft without knowing them, it has to be unencrypted. That is why anyone with the right equipment can track any flights